wir sind da und ich weiß nicht, was ich machen soll.
Komm mit uns zum Fotosport Sprachcamp nach Kosiansko. Es ist sehr schön dort.
Ich war letztes Jahr auch dort. Schau mal, das ist mein Lieblingsfoto.
Und die haben bekommen diese Trinkflasche und dieses T-Shirt.
Und ich habe ein USB-Stick bekommen.
Und am wichtigsten ist, wir haben alle ganz viel Spaß.
Welcome to Newsnight. Today we're going to talk about the found mandalas. I heard that today the last one was found in the small country Slovenia. Now that they have all been found, we will meet the finders of the mandalas and have a team of art historians tell us about what they mean. Now we will go to Jan, who is with the mandalas.
So, here we are with the mandalas in the new museum, a fascinating history that's been discovered this year throughout Europe. Later, I'll meet the kids who found the mandalas and a team of experts who will explain the meanings of them. But first, let's go to find out where exactly they were found.
On the third side.
Oh, cheese! Oh, what is it? It's mandala.
Oh, how it's nice to swim in the Aegean Sea. Oh wait, a mandala. Oh, okay.
Oh, das ist eine Mandala. Ja gut.
Bravissimo, pizza, uno, pizza. Ne uno pizza, e uno mandala.
Slovenija, naj tebi pisem poje, ne išči sreče drugod, kot le doma.
Yeah, the laws in Hamiva.
But English.
Oh, yeah, fascinating. Now let's go back to the museum and see what all these mean.
Hello, young man. What is your name?
My name is Bar.
From where are you?
I'm from Germany.
And where did you find the mandala?
I found it at the Berlin ruins.
Okay, very nice. Hello, today we are at the mandala with the historian.
Mr. Hans Panzerkampfwagen 2.
Okay, so what is this mandala all about? What can it say to us?
Well, the triangles represent that Germany is like the star of the European industries. The orange part is like a bear because the Germans are very technological. The dotted lines represent the Autobahn, where speeding isn't really a reason to get stopped by the cops. And the yellow circles represent all the beer brands in Germany. The red circle is a tire, which represents all the car brands in Germany. And this blue dot is the history, which they really want to forget about.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Eliane.
Where are you from?
I'm from Netherlands.
Where did you find the mandala?
I find it in the office.
So, Mr. Cheese Van Hollen, what can this mandala show us? What does it represent us?
Yes, thank you for asking. This red dot represents all the hot days in the Netherlands. As you can see, there are not many of them. The orange represents the national color and also represents the color of the football team shirts. The dark blue represents the sea. The gray represents when it's raining cats, and the purple represents when it's raining dogs. These little squares or rectangles represent the train tracks. The blue, some scientists don't really know what it means. These little bumps represent all the hills in the Netherlands, which you can see there are exactly 30. These little triangles represent cheese because the Netherlands is famous for cheese. These petals represent flower petals because the Netherlands is in the flower business.
Very good, thanks. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Sarah.
From where are you?
I'm from Greece.
Okay, so where did you find this mandala here?
So I found it in a water bottle that was floating on the sea.
Interesting. Where was that water bottle?
On the Aegean Sea.
Okay, interesting. So, Mrs. Greek Yogurt, what can this tell us all about? What does this mandala represent us?
Well, so those spikes all around the mandala represent the fact that Greece people usually don't wear heels because the Greece is an ancient country. So those little black half circles represent the fact that Greece is a peninsula. Those little black lines represent all the gods they worship. So then we got this dark blue color. This represents the sea around Greece. The light blue circles represent the fact that spitting is actually a good thing in Greece. It is supposed to bring good fortune. So the dark blue circles represent the dark blue chocolate. They should definitely event because the blue is a national color of Greece. So those lines in the middle, those black lines in the middle represent all the islands that belong to Greece. And this pink circle represents the most important thing, the strawberry Greek yogurt.
Thank you, very nice. Hello, where are you from?
I'm from Austria.
And what is your name?
Amadei.
Where did you find the mandala?
I found it when I slipped over on the grass.
Okay, interesting. So here we are with Mr. Mozart Wiener Schnitzel. And this guy, he's an art historian. So Mozart Wiener Schnitzel, what can this Austrian mandala tell us about? What does it represent us?
The middle is wall because they lavender chocolate. The gray represents the chocolate glazed donut. The orange is the Austria favorite color. The green represents all the green space in the city. The red represents the Austrian tomato sauce with a secret ingredient, tomatoes. I put the spikes and hold circle. His signs don't know. Some on here. Think that his spikes represent the screen factories.
Okay, very nice, very interesting.
Thank you.
Hello, so what is your name?
Nina,
Where are you from?
Italy.
And where did you find the mandala?
So I found this mandala in a restaurant, Italiano. I was so hungry and I ordered a pizza. The pizza actually a mandala.
Oh, okay, very interesting, delicious. Hello, now we are with our gourmet expert, Maria De Luigi.
Buongiorno.
So can you tell us the recipe?
Yes. So this mandala represents the pizza because Italians love pizza. They eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So this represents olivos with big black pits, pizza crust, big blue, very blue cheese, and very moldy salami. Of course, pineapple and black egg from but black chicken. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Very interesting pizza.
I know.
Hello, what is your name?
Kamil,
How old are you?
10,
Where did you find it?
Slovenia.
Okay, so this is the last mandala. It's coming from Slovenia. It's just been found, but there were two experts who came really quickly and will investigate it live. This is Mr. Steyerz and this is Mrs. Žabar.
So, the blue circle represents blood in Slovenia. The dark blue circle represents all the water in Slovenia.
That's not right, correct. This is actually for sad people in Slovenia.
Okay. So, the purple represents lavender in Slovenia, and the yellow represents all the honey made by bees in Slovenia.
The purple and the yellow represent the Maribor football team, not honey and lavender.
Okay. So, the black squares represent all the cities in Slovenia, and the green one represents Echo in Slovenia.
This actually represents the villages, and this represents the coronavirus that's spreading around Slovenia.
Okay. The black half circles are caves in Slovenia. The green half circles are the forest in Slovenia. And the black triangles are mountains in Alps.
No. This represents the bad tea in Slovenia, and this represents Vilenia.
Okay. Yumi, we need to talk about this, so out.
Wait, what was that?
Stop! What are you guys doing? It's a promo for Slovenia. Cut, this is a disaster.
Okay, well, there seems to be some confusion there, but I'm sure they'll work it out. Počakaj, slišam, da si strokovnjaki prihajajo nazaj do slovenske mandale, da raščitijo zmedo. Gremo nazaj do Jana v muzej, da nam pove, kaj se dogaja.
Ich bin verwirrt. Wieso spricht Mark Slowenisch?
On je Slovenc in moramo predstaviti Slovenijo.
Wie weißt du?
Mark je moj brat in moj oče je lastnik dokumentarce. A to ne veš? In zakaj ti govoriš nemško?
Österreich ist näher als England, nicht wahr?
Never mind, can we talk about Slovenia if that's the part of the program?
We didn't even mention prekmurska gibanica yet.
Or Klemšnita.
What about Triglav and smučanje?
Predvsem Prešeren!
Hoferceno! Von po svežem kruhu, po hoferceni, fotrniki s kuhu, po hoferceni. Več pa ne znam.
Slovenija, odkud lepote tvoje, pozdravljamo tej srca in srečni tu smo doma.
Stop! What are you guys doing? It's a promo for
Hello, Greek yogurt.
Okay.
And this very dark blue represents the sea around the Greece.
Thank you, very nice. Ich bin verwirrt. Wieso spricht Mark Slowenisch?
On je Slovenc in moramo predstaviti Slovenijo.
Kako pa ti to veš? Ne vem.